Reach your customers through the Partner Portal tool. In this video, I will show you how to use the communication platform to manage and customize the communication flow to your customers. Every partner will have access to their own CRM platform. Here, you can personalize, automate notifications, implement models, adapt promotions, follow up your customer journey, and learn how they are using the app. As you can see, the Partner Portals offers different types. But for automate notifications, let's go to Event Manager. Here you can activate and deactivate specific scenarios, and as well edit the content. Let me show you an example, and let's go to hidden consumption. Here you can activate the messages, so the customers can get them via SMS or via email. We don't want to show simple Google translation, so here you can also adapt the content of the messages. Once it's saved, the user will receive the message when the trigger is recalculated. Through the Partner Portal, you also can personalize push notifications to one person or to the whole community. You can also adapt the promotions, adding splash and banners to the app, and as well to have an overview of the user of the app. Mobile apps are considered today one of the most effective channels to interact with their users. Here, we are offering you a fast to go to the market, start no time, offering an in-app experience. Get a better perception of your business, improve customer intimacy, optimize engagement, and of course, increase revenue. Contact us for more information. Thank you.